Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get bone blossom or candy blossom and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my garden guide. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the achievements menu and we can select the core plants achievement. Okay, and if you want to get bone blossom or candy blossom or any prismatic seed, you can try to complete this prismatic achievements. Okay, these are the quest or the missions that you need to complete to get the prismatic seed pack. Okay, and I know guys that it's so difficult to get this prismatic seed pack. These are the missions and it's really hard, I think, because you need to harvest one rainbow romanesco and then you need to destroy 1000 plants and harvest 20,000 mutated plants. And yeah, it's so hard, but you can try to get it and you will have possibility or chance to get the bone blossom or candy blossom from this prismatic seed pack. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.